Hey, it's Rita Andrews with Steps for Success. And I wanted to let you know about my upcoming free AI workshops. If you go to Eventbrite, and this link will be down in the description, and you can go and you can register for one or you can register for all of them. I have one next week, and I have more coming up in the month of March. I just finished the one today talking about Canva. It was pretty exciting. I had a lot of people that came out to the class. Bring your computer when you come, because I'll take you step by step and show you how to use a lot of these AI tools. Okay, so that's Eventbrite. The link will be down in the description. And then also, all of my classes are uploaded to my YouTube channel, right, which is Steps for Success. And if you just subscribe to the channel, that way you can get all of the videos that I upload, like the one for Canva will be uploaded later today or tomorrow. So you get a chance to go back and rewatch that one. And then if you wanted to just see more information about the business itself, if you go over to stepsforsuccess.org/workshops, you can see I have a video up here telling you about my workshops. And then if you click on here, it will take you back to the YouTube channel. And this is really good for beginners. So I'm looking for beginners who want to know more about how to use AI tools, how to create content and videos, and how to create content to brand themselves. So this class is for you. And I am a AI certified consultant. So thank you so much. That's from the Little Sisters. And this is some testimonies that I have from individuals that attended my class, my workshops. They gave me some testimonies. It's a pleasure and an honor to be able to teach and to help other businesses grow their business. So these are some testimonies. And if you attend one of my classes and you give me a survey, I will be adding you to my website as well. Okay, and then once again, these are the classes that I have coming up. Like I said, this is the one that we had today. I've got more coming up in the month of March. And then, hey, follow me on social media. I got all the platforms. Just click on there, follow me, and say hi, and we can follow each other and just help each other grow our businesses. So once again, you can go to the link in the chat. The link that's in the description that takes you to my Eventbrite page. Definitely follow me, and then also click on register for one of my upcoming classes. Keep in mind that sometimes the information may go to your promotion folder. So definitely take a look at that. It may not go directly to your inbox, so keep a look out on your promotion folder as well. If you register for one of the events, they will send a Zoom link to your promotion folder too. So just keep an eye out on that folder. And then, like I said, you can go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel. You can go to the website, stepsforsuccess.org, and learn more as well. All right. It's your girl, Rita Andrews. Thank you so much for your time. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Bye-bye.